Union Home Minister Amit Shah is on a day-long visit to Manipur, addressing a gathering in Imphal. Shah said that BJP government has changed the face of Manipur in the past 3 years. Praising his government, he said that earlier there used to be Bandh and people used to face livelihood issues, but now things have changed. He's also said that reduction in insurgency in past few years is a success story of Biren Singh regime. Shah is also going to be laying foundation stone for several multi-purpose projects. Manipur goes for polls in March 2022 and focus on Northeast by BJP is like never before now.
पिछले 3 साल के अंदर हमने वादा किया था, मोदी जी कह कर गए थे कि मणिपुर बंद हो जाता है, ब्लॉकेज कर देते हैं। राजनीतिक कारणों से चुनाव के वक्त भी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया था। आज 3 साल हुए, एक भी बार बंद नहीं हुआ है। वो ही बताता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का जहां शासन आता है वो लोगों के विकास के लिए।
जब आप बात कर रहे हैं इनकी विजिट की, तो क्या ये 2022 की तैयारी भी है, क्योंकि अब चुनाव भी आ गए हैं, 1 ही वर्ष बाकी है?
हाँ, वो ये मणिपुर में आना, मणिपुर में ये आज का 400 more than 400 करोड़ का फाउंडेशन स्टोन करना, इनोग्रेट करना, ये इलेक्शन का भी किक ऑफ है। ऐसा ही वीकेंड माना जाता है, देखा सकते हैं।
Manogya Loiwal now joins us for the latest on this. Manogya, if you could walk our viewers through what's on the agenda as far as Home Minister Amit Shah is concerned. It is a big Northeast outreach by the Bharatiya Janata Party. What is on the agenda at the moment?
Well, very interesting part, because the focus of BJP as well as the central government for the Northeast is like never before. Imagine the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has travelled more than 30 times already in past 6 years to the northeastern region, which is, of course, first of its kind. And as a Home Minister, Union Minister Amit Shah travelled today for the first time as the Home Minister to Manipur. He's come here earlier also for various political campaigns in this ground itself. But what the message that is being sent across by the BJP as well as the central leadership is absolutely clear. 3 points. One was the development of the state. Second was complementing the entire leadership of N. Biren Singh, who's been at the helm of affairs of the state from past 3 years. Remember, BJP with only 2% vote bank till last elections, and this elections where they were able to form a government. And now the eye is on March 2022, the state elections of Manipur, where party considers and of course believes that they will be able to make a breakthrough in a big way in days to come. The development of the state has been on the agenda, and especially the peace talks that have been there through various controversies but not very fruitful. Imagine what started in last century is yet to be culminated in a formidable formal peace talks that would be finally concluded between the insurgents in this region as well as the central government and the state leadership also. A big success that BJP is celebrating with this visit and conveying it to the people of Manipur is the inner line permit that was given out in December 2019, and now in December 2020 finally that comes into existence as well as has been in operation for quite some time. The fact that any time you would arrive in Manipur, like several other states in Northeast, be it Arunachal Pradesh and others like Mizoram also, who have an inner line permit. So every person entering the state or leaving the state will now be monitored. Manipur is a small state, but when it comes to the population, it has around 30 lakh population. However, the tribes are more than 30. So that itself will give you an idea on the indigenous character of the state and of course the entire variety that you would see in this demographic region.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Manogya, for joining us with the very latest on this story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.